design Jerron Benthal. In formulating a video synopsis of chapters 1, 2, and 3, taken from our textbook, Communication, Making Connections, I chose major topics from each chapter to discuss in detail. Chapter 1 deals with the overall concept of connecting process and principles to generate effective communication. In doing so, first we ask, what is communication? According to Sealer, Bale, and Mazer, communication is the sharing and creating of meaning through human symbolic interaction. It involves a range of behaviors and occurs in a variety of situations. Second, why should we study communication? Based on the textbook in Chapter 1, there are 4 reasons for studying communication. 1. We live in a technological society and use social media for interacting with each other in a social media. 2. Communication plays a vital role in career success. 3. Communication is composed of a large amount of ethics. And 4. We live in a multicultural society. Third, what are the major types of communication? As referred in Chapter 1, there are 4 main types of communication as well. 1. Interpersonal communication, the process of understanding information within oneself. 2. Interpersonal communication, the act of creating and sharing meaning between persons who are in a relationship. 3. Public communication, a message transmitted from the speaker to the listener. And 4. Mass communication, which allows professionals to communicate with one or more people via radio, TV, newspapers, magazines, books, and movies. Next, in Chapter 2, the speech text describes how perception and communication relates to each other. In this chapter, first, the perception process is defined as the involvement of 3 processes, which are 1. Selection, sorting one stimulus from another. 2. Organization, sorting, organizing, or categorizing. And 3. Interpretation, assigning meaning to stimuli. Second, perceptual differences in Chapter 2 also discusses various topics which influence our perceptions, such as perceptual set, which allows our past to control our current feelings, which is a type of stereotyping. Stereotyping is the categorizing of events, objects, and people without regard to their unique characteristics. Finally, attribution error, physical characteristics, cultural background, and media also are highly influences on one's perception. Last, Chapter 3 addresses different methods of connecting self with communication through 1. Understanding self-concept, which is influenced by our values, attitudes, and beliefs. 2. Knowing how self-concept, culture, and gender relate to each other. And 3. Utilizing the self-fulfillment prophecy and impression management method to bring about more effective communication. Finally, self-concept not only affects our perception, but how we communicate overall between each other.